Welcome to this comprehensive guide on Axie Infinity Wallet Security Best Practices. Securing your digital assets is crucial in the world of cryptocurrency and non-fungible tokens. In this tutorial, we will walk you through a step-by-step process to ensure your Axie Infinity wallet is protected from potential threats. First, it is essential to understand the importance of wallet security. Axie Infinity is a popular online game that uses cryptocurrency and non-fungible tokens, making it a target for hackers and scammers. A secure wallet protects your assets from unauthorized access and ensures that your investments are safe. Step 1 is to choose a reputable wallet provider. Look for wallets that have a good reputation, strong security measures, and positive user reviews. Some popular wallet options for Axie Infinity include MetaMask, Ronin Wallet, and Ledger Live. Step 2 is to enable two-factor authentication. This adds an extra layer of security to your wallet, making it more difficult for hackers to gain access. Two-factor authentication requires a verification code sent to your phone or email in addition to your password. Step 3 is to use a strong and unique password. Avoid using easily guessable information such as your name, birth date, or common words. Instead, use a combination of letters, numbers, and special characters to create a complex password. Step 4 is to keep your wallet software up to date. Regular updates often include security patches and bug fixes that help protect your wallet from vulnerabilities. Make sure to update your wallet regularly to ensure you have the latest security features. Step 5 is to be cautious of phishing scams. Phishing scams are attempts to trick you into revealing sensitive information such as your password or private key. Be wary of emails, messages, or websites that ask for your personal information or login credentials. Step 6 is to use a hardware wallet. Hardware wallets are physical devices that store your private keys offline, making it more difficult for hackers to access your assets. Ledger and Trezor are popular hardware wallet options that support Axie Infinity. Step 7 is to monitor your account activity regularly. Check your wallet balance and transaction history regularly to detect any suspicious activity. If you notice any unauthorized transactions, contact your wallet provider immediately. By following these step-by-step security best practices, you can significantly reduce the risk of your Axie Infinity wallet being compromised. Remember to always prioritize security and take the necessary precautions to protect your digital assets. Stay safe and secure in the world of Axie Infinity.